Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company near Warsaw, Indiana. We continue our tutorial videos that we show all of our new employees who we train to become professional painters. Today we're going to talk about jousting. I'm just kidding. I think I got the right thing with that. We're going to talk about how to protect a gutter with the pivot ladder helper. Many times we're not painting the gutters, so we certainly don't want to rest our ladders up on the gutters if we have to get up onto the roof and then scratch the gutters. Other times, when you lean ladders up against a gutter, you can actually dent the gutter. And so we're going to show you how to put this up and how to rest an extension ladder in it. And then we're also going to show you what to do when a gutter has a screen over the top or has a gutter helmet or a gutter guard. This does not work. And so that's what we're going to use those noodles over here for, those little swim noodles that you can just pick up for $1, and you know where you can pick those up for $1. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. We use an extension pole. We have a very high gutter here, so I had to grab one of our longest extension poles. Now, if you haven't painted before, don't go into your bathroom and paint with one of these long poles, okay? It doesn't work too well. So what we're going to do is we're going to slowly lift it up. Now notice here, that doesn't screw on, okay? We're just using the extension pole to be able to lift it. And when you lift this up, don't go right over your head, because it can fall off, and you have to be really careful lifting it up because this pole can go through a window. So make sure you've got good support. You can get a little closer just so you can hear me back there, or I'll just turn around if that's better when I talk. But we're going to go up and over the gutter, and it just hooks on the gutter. Now, if the camera can go over here, notice how it's not quite on this side. I'm hitting one of the brackets in the gutter. So if the camera can veer over here to the right, there you go, you'll notice how that's not quite down yet at the top. So if you run into that, you've hit a bracket. So I'm going to move it just a little bit until it goes in the actual J channel up there. So see how this is all the way down right here? That's what you're looking for. Again, sometimes what happens is you end up getting it. Let me see if I can get this started here. It's a little bit of a challenge. It's not easy when it's this high. There we go. You end up getting it. Let me see if I can repeat that. See how that's not down all the way? I'm hitting a bracket. So you just have to move it over a little bit until it goes down real nicely. Still hitting. And there we're down. So both sides, I see that it's completely down onto my gutter. I'm going to lay this pole down. We're going to go ahead and bring our extension ladder over. Always looking up as you're moving a ladder so that you don't become disorientated. Once the ladder's up, we rest it on the little gutter guard there. Get our proper angle, and now we can climb up that ladder and not scratch the gutter. We do like that extension ladder extending at least 3 or 4 feet above the roof line. If you notice that up there, that's very important. So if you had to get onto a roof, you've got something to hang on to as you're getting up on the roof and setting up hopefully your fall restraint or some type of system to keep you safe on the roof. So that's the first video, or the first way that we protect a gutter. If you cannot get that gutter helper on there, we use these swim noodles. So I'm going to show you how that works. I'm going to go ahead and lower this. I'm going to go ahead and get this ladder down. Grab these swim noodles. We slit them down one side so that they're open. We wrap them around these ladder rails like this. And just push them down on there. And again, this is if you cannot get that gutter guard up there, or maybe you don't have it. Sometimes they're not out on the job with us. So once those are on, we'll go ahead, make sure our ladder is connected here. We'll go ahead and walk the ladder up. You'll see on other videos how to raise and lower a ladder safely. We'll go ahead and get the ladder in position. We've got to raise it back up. Actually, I need to move over to show you what to do when there's not a gutter guard. And those rest right on the gutter like that, also protecting our customers' gutters or protecting your gutters at home. So if you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up on our YouTube page, or for more information, you can contact us at matthewspainting.com.